Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing? I hope you are having a great and wonderful day. All right, if you landed on my page, it's because you're looking for a way to make some money from home. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, and my channel is a channel in which I show you how to basically promote other people's products or services, or company, if you will, i.e. companies. By you promoting other people's products and services, you in turn receive a commission, okay? And that's how you make money online, okay? So that's what my channel represents, and everything that I show you, I am a part of. I'm not just doing a review about it. I actually have the product or service that I'm speaking about, okay? So I am back with the residual income code. This is a marketing system that I actually got involved with back July 16th. Okay, so I've been talking about it a while. What I like about this little program is it has 6 income streams. It's basically a funnel. Okay, it's a system with 6 income streams built within it. And all you have to do is follow the 3 steps to go ahead and automate all those income streams. Okay, they make it real simple and easy. And what we do is we lead off with a feeder program, a low ticket program for $27. Okay, 27 plus 10. Okay, and one time, no monthly fees, and you're actually getting a product that's called Engagely. Okay, and that product actually teaches you how to engage with people on social media. It includes 100 ads, guys, that you can actually literally copy and paste to all your social media sites, and it in turn engages people to inquire about what it is that you're offering. Okay, so the posts that we're posting are related to the Engagely product. So this funnel basically shows you how you can get residual income for anywhere from $27 up to $1,000, okay, by using this one marketing funnel. Okay, now if you look right here, the members, when I joined on the 16th, it was 4,000 and something members. Now it's 6,000. So that shows you that is growing. And we have people that's interested in this marketing system. You, like I said, $27 gets you going. You get access to the Engagely product, which is very key. Okay, 100 ads, guys. You wouldn't have seen these ads anywhere because John created them personally. Okay, so it's an easy way to just promote. Now, what got me excited about it is because one of the income streams is called Easy One Up, and I've been a part of that for a while. And that's my high ticket product. Okay, and so all I had to do was plug in my Easy One Up username into this funnel. So it's a great way for me to have a low ticket item on the front end, and then on the back end promote my high ticket item all in one funnel. Okay, and I only spent 27 plus 10 to get this little system, and people are signing up. Okay, so I want to show you something real quick, because I had to learn this. I wanted to know, how does it look when I get a sale? Okay, so I'm going to show you that. But before I do, once you get started, you're going to be in our Facebook group. What has happened is Facebook had some issue, and the original Facebook group was shut down. So a new one has been created because it was way more members than this. Okay, so we're having to build those members back up. But this is the Facebook group, so you'll be a part of that. Okay, now I want to show you real quick so that you can identify how does it look when you get a sale. Okay, I had the same question, so I thought I'd do a video about it, because if I have a question about it, I'm sure many others do as well. Okay, you're going to receive an email from Kartra. Okay, Kartra right here, it tells you like 2:34 this morning I had a sale to come in. Okay, so Kartra is going to send you an email and say you've made a sale as an affiliate. Okay, so I'm just going to click it just so you can see, okay, what it looks like. See, Okay, 2:34 a.m. While I was sleeping, $37 came in. Okay, so you're going to get 2 emails, one from Kartra, and then you're going to get one from John going to your PayPal. So you can see I just joined on the 6th because that was my birthday week. So from that point, I didn't do anything, but here's 3 sales that I have. Okay, so I'm going to flip over here and I'm going to show you. So you're going to get 1 email from Kartra saying you made an affiliate sale, and it tells you how much it is. Then you get an email from John because he pays you directly in your PayPal. Okay, so as you can see right here, the same 3. I signed up on the 16th. A week later, I made $27. 5 days later, I made another 27, and then I made 37. And it posted at 7:10. The other email from the company, Kartra, came in at 2 something in the morning. So of course everybody was asleep. So it shows you right here. So you'll get the email from Maas Marketing. He will make the payment to you. That company, Maas Marketing, will pay you, and they're gonna be okay. So I just wanted you guys to know that because I had that same question. So I figured it'd be easy just to make a video and share that with everybody. But guys, get this system, 27 plus 10, excuse me, 27 plus 10 one time, $37 to get the training called Engagely, which teaches you how to engage on all social media platforms. You're going to use, there's 100 ads, ad copy. You're just going to simply copy and paste those ads on Facebook, social media, in groups. You can do it on your page. You can do it on Instagram. I've been doing Instagram. I've got a couple accounts on Instagram, and I'm starting back to use my Twitter account, posting those ads, okay? And then, of course, you see my videos. But you can do that, and it gives you what to copy, guys. You don't have to figure out, what do I need to say? Just copy the ads they're giving you, okay? And again, 6 income streams in one little system, $6 up to $1,000, okay, is what this market will allow you to, the potential income, okay? So, worst case, $27 over and over and over again, just for people sharing this and they're able to get those ads. People are excited about that, especially people that have no idea, they're new online and they're like, say on my ad, we're giving you that. For $27 plus $10, you get 100 ads. So you don't have to figure out what you need to say. Just copy paste it on social media. All right. That's all I've got for you guys today. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and go ahead and like the video and click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay. So thank you for checking it out, guys. I'll see you guys on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.